Hello, Professor. I am MD Mehdi Hassan Bhuya and my ID is 97902423. I am a student of Ravensbourne University, London. My MSc Project Management, and in this course, Sustainable Project Management. In this course code is PRM22104. And in this session, here is a video session which is Project Map Video Presentation. Now, uh, in this video, I will explain how I created the project plan for Aura Tower using Microsoft Project. I will go to step by step through how I organize the task, timeline, and resources. The tools allow users to create detailed project plans by defining tasks, assigning resources, setting timelines, and tracking progress. One of its standout features in the Gantt chart, which provided a visual representation of the project schedule, helping users monitor dependencies and milestones at a glance. MSc Project MSc Project supports resource management, enabling users to allocate people, equipment, and materials efficiency. It also helps us in identifying over allocations, tracking cost, and ensuring project AC within the budget. Additionally, its reporting feature generate insightful dashboards and reports. Adding their decision making and helping stakeholders inform the project. This is the second slide. In this slide, I'm breaking down the phases. Next, in this slide, I divided the project into some phases to make it more organized, like initiation phase, and identify key project objectives, and make a stakeholder roles, define green building benchmark, develop preliminary project strategy, and initial planning and setup, blueprint and materialization, and core construction, engagement activities, project warm-up. And here is some resource name also: project manage and community relation and sustainability offer and project manage. And then each phases I try to contain tasks that are linked together based on their dependencies. This is the third slide, and in this slide this is the task sheet, and for each phase I added task there with duration and start and end it. For example, in the initial planning and setup phases, I include identify key project, which is 15 days, and then map stakeholder, which is 10 days, define green building 20 days, and then develop preliminary 15 days, and acquire initial project 15 days. Also planning and design, which is 170 days, create initial design, which is 40 days, and finalize architectural, which is 50 days. Also choose sustainability, which is also 30 days. And in this I use the order in this here I use the auto schedule feature, which is make sure that task adjusted automatically based on their dependencies. This is a fourth slide. In this slide, this is a resource sheet, and this has a lot of resources. For example, community relations, sustainable officer, procurement specialist, architect, legal advisor, video production team, administrative staff, community relations manager, concrete and steel reinforcement, brick and glass panel, and solar panel, and more definitely there is a lot of resources. And the project manager, after that, I assigned resources to each task. For example, the process manager was responsible for tasks like develop initial action plan costing 2000. The community relation handled stakeholder engagement, which is cost 1500. I also added cost for materials like sustainable flooring and tasks like and designed blueprints also. Well, this is the fifth slide. In this slide is tracking chart, tracking dependencies in MS project dependencies. In MS project define how tasks are connected. For example, a task may need to finish before another starts, or two tasks may need to occur simultaneously. Managing those dependencies is crucial for accurate scheduling and identifying bottlenecks. The Gantt chart visually displays tasks dependencies are connecting arrows between the parts, and I made sure to link tasks so that they followed the correct order. For example, a project character had to be finished before moving to identify key participants. The timeline updated automatically if I made any changes, which kept everything aligned. This is the sixth slide, and which is Gantt chart. And here is I showing the task name, WPS, duration, start and finish date, and resource name. And here is a lot of things in task name, and already I break down all of the task, and already stand up the duration. In the finally, I reviewed the Gantt chart to check that all tasks and durations and resources were each of the connected, and the chart shows the entire timeline visually in the other side, and making it to easier to tracking progress. And in this process MX project, this will help to work very organized way. That's this is the final slide, and in this presentation, I try to explain as much as I can. And this project software helped me a lot. And first of all, I choose the project MS Project software there for this reason: comprehensive planning, which is easily create and manage detailed project plans with timelines, milestone, and dependencies. And then efficient resources management, allocate resources effectively, track ability, and control project cost. And then visualization tools, which is I can use in Gantt chart, network diagrams, and dashboards, or clear project tracking and communications. And the fourthly, allocationable insights. In this MS Project software I can generate reports and analytics to monitor progress, and make informed decisions. That's how I create and manage the project in Microsoft Project. This helped me understand how to break down complex tasks into manageable steps. Thank you for assigning this software, and it was a great learning experience. Thank you.